I am a consultant homeopath practicing homeopathy for more than 35 years. In my day-to-day practice, I treat patients from common cold to cancer. It sounds strange that in the 21st century, when the modern system of medicine needs specialists and super specialists for the treatment of cancer, then how come a simple homeopath can treat cancer? It's true, we can treat it. I have treated my own mother. She developed the first symptom of cancer in 2004. She had bleeding from the left nipple. In 2013, she developed the metastasis and had a pathological fracture in the right femur, for which she was hospitalized and operated upon. In May 2016, she expired. So in this total period of 12 years, she was just hospitalized for 1 week. Otherwise, she had a very healthy life. So the quality of life of cancer patients who are taking homeopathic treatment is definitely better than the modern system. Now, how that was possible? There is a basic difference in the treatment through homeopathy and the modern system. In homeopathy, we treat the patient and not the disease. That is a basic difference. In homeopathy, when we have to take a detailed case history of the patient, the present complaint, the past history, the family history, the general symptoms of the patient, the liking, disliking, the mental symptoms, which constitute a true totality of the symptoms, and on that basis, when we give the medicines, the results are wonderful. I always tell my patient that if you have an enemy, there are two ways. Either you increase your strength and kill the enemy, that is homeopathic, or you call somebody to kill the enemy, that is allopathy, like giving antibiotics to kill the enemy. So, in homeopathy, we use medicines in the potentized form. That's why sometimes it is called they are placebo, because they don't have any material existence in it. Our medicines are prepared according to the homeopathic pharmacopoeia and up to the potency 6C or 12X, we have some material existence. After that, there is no material existence of the medicine. That is why our medicines are safe and having no side effects. Only in very sensitive, what we call them idiosyncratic patients, those patients sometimes show the symptoms of the medicine itself, like they start proving the medicine. So in those patients, we advise them to stop the medicine the moment they start experiencing the new symptoms in them, the symptoms of the medicine. Now, one thing I wanted to share, that we must understand that whenever we get disease, the first line of defense is our own defense mechanism. You don't need any medicine for minor ailments. They are self-limiting. They get all right of their own. So the first line of defense is your own defense mechanism, your immune system. It fights out the common ailments without the help of any medication. Or in certain cases, you just need to do some lifestyle changes, like reducing the weight, avoiding certain food items, or making your life more systematic. You can avoid many diseases. The role of the medicine comes only Once you have made the lifestyle changes, you have avoided the food items which doesn't suit you, and you have been doing regular exercise, everything you are following systematically, but even then you are suffering. Now is the time you need to consult a physician. And it is always better if you going for a homeopathic consultation, because here we treat and take a holistic view. If we are able to improve your immune system and fight out the disease, then you won't require any other further assistance of any other medication. But in certain acute infections like typhoid fever or active tuberculosis, in which it takes time for the body to fight them out, and there is a chance that those acute infections can cause more damage to the patient, then at that time we need to refer the patient for allopathic mode of treatment. So it is advisable that you get in touch with a qualified and experienced physician, homeopathic physician, and accordingly proceed further for your treatment for better results. Thank you.